So I'm walking along, come around a corner. Who's sitting right in the middle of the trail but a little white bunny? Well, he wasn't that little, but anyway, that was pretty cool. Pretty cool. Haven't seen one since October or November. Anyway, it was nice to see him. Prosperity, abundance, fertility, along with the white color, purity. What a great message. And I'm going to share it with you. Beautiful bunny. Animals give us messages. Numbers give us messages. Lyrics in a song give us messages. It's just in how you perceive them, I guess. Have fun. Try to have fun. I forgot for a long time, and then I forgot again, and then I forgot again. Continue to try, though. Because you know what? It is a good day. Spring, the sun's out. Birds are singing. It is a beautiful day. And I am grateful. And I'm grateful that I have you to talk to. And I'm grateful that you are on this planet because the planet needs you. And you are a powerful force to be reckoned with, whether you believe that or you are finding it hard to believe. You are. Wahali Masani. Waho.